Hello, and welcome to this video on exam taking strategies. This video will explore essential strategies for success in the PSPO1 exam. You will learn how to apply effective test-taking techniques, including managing your time wisely and using the process of elimination to tackle challenging questions confidently. Additionally, we will focus on PSPO1 specific study approaches, such as reviewing key concepts from the Scrum Guide and memorizing essential terms to ensure your preparation aligns with the exam's focus areas. By the end of this video, you will have practical insights to enhance your readiness and boost your confidence for the test. Before taking any exam, it is important to understand its structure, timing, and question formats. The PSPO1 exam features 80 multiple choice and true or false questions to be completed within 60 minutes. Being aware of these details can assist with effective time management. We recommend reviewing the PSPO1 certification details available on the scrum.org website, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Develop a regular study plan ahead of the exam. Divide your study sessions into smaller, focused segments, dedicating each to one of the 5 PSPO1 focus areas. Simulate the exam environment by taking practice exams. This approach allows you to evaluate your understanding while improving your endurance and confidence. Aim to achieve a 90% score on these practice tests consistently. Scrum.org provides several short, 15-question practice assessments to help measure your preparedness. These resources are free and include detailed feedback for each attempt. When taking the PSPO1 exam, it is important to read each question carefully. Be mindful of qualifiers like most, least, or best, as they can significantly change the meaning of the question. This attention to detail can help you better understand what is being asked, allowing you to select the most accurate answer. Additionally, practice the process of elimination by ruling out obviously incorrect options. Narrowing down your choices increases the likelihood of choosing the correct one, even if you are uncertain about the answer. Stay calm and focused, especially if you come across a difficult question. Do your best to respond and move on, as the test does not allow for backtracking. The key to success is not getting bogged down on one question, but maintaining forward momentum. Time management is also crucial. Aim to complete each question within 45 seconds. This will give you enough time to review flagged questions and ensure you make the best possible use of your allotted time. Focus on exam content published by scrum.org. It divides the exam into 5 distinct focus areas. Each area is thoroughly outlined on the website, highlighting essential knowledge points you must understand. A significant number of PSPO1 questions assess your grasp of fundamental terminology and concepts. Focus on the definitions, roles, and responsibilities highlighted by scrum.org. Refer to the detailed glossary in this course as an essential study tool. The Scrum Guide is a free PDF resource, and as of 2025, scrum.org refers to the 2020 exam edition. Make sure to download and review it to familiarize yourself with the essential concepts. Consider purchasing recognized study guides, online courses, and flashcards. Verify that your materials match the scrum.org exam focus areas. Check the scrum.org guidelines and policies for the PSPO1 exam. The exam can be taken once for a $200 fee. It is an online, non-proctored test. Here's a recap of important pointers covered in this video. The PSPO1 exam features 80 multiple choice and true or false questions to be completed within 60 minutes. Develop a regular study plan by dividing your study sessions into segments, dedicating each to one of the 5 PSPO1 focus areas. Simulate the exam environment by taking practice exams and aim to achieve a 90% score consistently. Be mindful of qualifiers like most, least, or best, as they can significantly change the meaning of the question. Avoid getting bogged down on one question and ensure forward momentum. Download and review the Scrum Guide to familiarize yourself with the essential concepts.